How to wash net curtains. Did you know a relatively easy and cost-effective way to spruce up your home is to clean your net curtains? Believe it or not, net curtains can actually hold a lot of dust and dirt, and if you don't clean them regularly they start to look old. Plus, they will stop letting as much light through, making your rooms look dark and dingy. The good thing is you can clean your nets at home. In this video, we'll explain how to wash net curtains from start to finish. It's easier to wash your net curtains if you take them down from the rail. Use a stepladder to take down your net curtains. Remove any jewelry you might be wearing, as these could rip or snag the fabric. Don't scrub too hard when washing your net curtains by hand. Check what material your net curtains are made from. Nets made from linen cannot be washed in vinegar, for example. Step 1. The pre-wash. Doing a pre-wash of your net curtains is essential, as this type of clean removes any dust and general dirt that has gathered on them. Pre-wash method number 1. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove loose dust. You can do this while the curtains are still hanging. Just be careful you don't end up pulling them down. Pre-wash method number 2. Soak your nets in warm water and white vinegar. Just a cup of white vinegar will help to whiten your nets. Add in some lemon juice to soften the vinegar smell. Pre-wash method number 3. Soak your nets in warm water and baking soda. A cupful of baking soda is the ideal amount. The soaking methods may take longer, but you'll get far better results with them. Leave the net curtains in the bath for an hour and make sure to agitate the water to help remove more dirt and staining. Lift the curtains out of the bath bowl and get rid of the excess water by gently squeezing. Don't wring the curtains, as this could damage them. If there are still tough stains on the nets, keep watching. How to work out tough stains using baking soda. Get a damp cloth and coat it in baking soda. Gently rub at the stained areas, don't scrub. This should remove any tough stains from the nets. Soak the nets in water once again to remove excess baking soda. It's now time to move on to the next cleaning phase. Step 2. The wash. You can either machine wash or hand wash net curtains. Machine washing will be okay for many net curtains, but some nets must be washed by hand. It's important that you check out what material your net curtains are made from so that you can follow the step that best suits your needs. For machine washing, choose the correct setting on the machine, the delicate wash setting. Turn the spin dry option off. Choose an appropriate detergent and pop it into the machine, nothing harsh. Pick a low temperature, below 30 degrees Celsius, to wash the nets. Make sure that the washing machine is empty, because extra pieces in the machine could damage your net curtains. Net curtains are quite light, so you might want to add a white towel into the wash, so there is a little more weight in the machine. For hand washing, fill the sink or the bath with warm water. Water temperature should be about 30 degrees Celsius. Use a mild detergent, mixing 1 part to every 30 parts water. Put the net curtains in the water. Move them around to clean them. Gently rub at the net curtains to get the dirt off, not too rough. Release the dirty water and wash the nets under fresh warm water. Gently wring out the water, or wrap the nets in a towel to squeeze out the extra water. This process should take around 15 to 20 minutes, not including drying time. Step 3. Drying. Always hang your net curtains up to dry. And never tumble dry them. You can pop them back up on their rail, but make sure you leave the window open so that air can keep the nets moving around lightly to deter condensation on your windows. Remember, when drying net curtains you want them to be hanging loosely or they'll start to crinkle. Net curtains should be washed every 3 to 6 months. But this is down to personal preference, and of course your schedule. Washing your net curtains can make the world of difference to your home.